This video is about getting unlimited funding using the 5 C's of credit. Now, what are they and why are they so important? For one, character. This is determined by your credit score and your credit history. Again, if you got a 500 credit score, bankruptcies, foreclosures, repos, those types of things, no, you will not qualify with the bankers to get funding. Number two, it's your capacity. This is based on your income and other financial obligations. Are you over leveraged? If you're over leveraged, no, you will not qualify to get lent to. Number three, collateral. Do you actually have the collateral to understand that the bankers can feel comfortable to lend to you? This is your savings. These are other assets that you may have under holdings to have the banks feel very comfortable to lend to you. Number four, your capital. Do you have other savings, assets, 401k? This is actually liquid cash available to help the banks make smarter decisions to lend to you. And number five, its conditions. Are the conditions appropriate? Meaning, what is your intent for the money? Is it to buy properties? Is it to help extend your asset base? What are the conditions there for the banks to lend to you? Okay, now finally, you need as many of these as possible to get funded. And then two, we would love for you to dive in with you to understand each of these 5 C's and how it will improve your likelihood to be funded. And then when you learn and master the 5 C's of credit, you can get the funding you need. And then finally, if this is what you need, look at our other 5 videos in this series to understand what it's really going to take for you to get funded to the maximum. And thanks again.